KIND stock next week. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see what is Nextdoor Holdings stock going in the next few days, weeks, and months. So we're sitting at $2 at the moment. I mean, Kind stock has gone up 16% for Friday's performance. Overall, past week's performance has also been like 11% up, so that's great. But most importantly, the number one thing on the list, zooming out with KIND stock, we can see that we're in a very bearish trend, right? And this is just the reality. It's not like I'm trying to make stuff up. That's the truth. But just to give you more context, though, we have actually started shifting bullish like crazy. Broke structure here, and I mean we have not broken structure here, but um, if the, if that happens on the weekly, that's also going to be fine. I'm still going to mark out this demand area because definitely it acts as a demand area. And now, if the price comes in the zone, it then gives me the famous double breaks, then I'm just bullish to the highs, and that's the reality end of the game, right? But yeah, this is only for now and not forever, and surely just needs the price needs to give me the rules. That's what I'm waiting for. This is obviously not financial advice. I'm also going to mark out the lows because they do make a lot of sense. Um, but yeah, let me know what is your opinion and check out the free course below.